Dahlia cuttings, as you can see, really nice. Start growing really nicely there. Got another one here, might be suits them a little bit better. You see there, nice crown of the plant there. Just get this out of the way to show you how I go about taking them. I don't know if you can see this properly. Hopefully you can. What you need to do is get your dahlia here. That's the crown of the plant there. That's the tuber where it all comes from. You don't want to take any of the tuber with you. You want to leave like probably 4 or 5 mils next to the tuber, nice and short like that. And there you go. This one needs tidying up first before I plant it. But the reason you take them now is because as they grow, dahlias, they become hollow inside, which when they're this size they're not. So that's one. Get this other one here. Just see it just to the side there. So there's enough room for some new growth there. That's the main thing here. I start these off in trays normally, but I've run out of trays and I didn't have enough room for some trays, so you get starting pots instead. Take this one out, just above again, nice and sharp. And there you have it. You can put this back now, give it a little bit of feed. As you can see there, in a few days I shall have several new cuttings to take there. It's coming along nicely. I'll put that out of the way. Right, once you've got these like this, next stage is to tidy them up. So what you want to do, you want to go just below, take your bottom leaves off, just below a leaf node, which is there. So nice and cross like that, and pull the leaves off gently. And that's ready to go in. That's one done. Here's another one. So yeah, bottom bits off like so. Cut just above, just below, sorry, a leaf node. Straight across you want to go. Pull the leaves off. And your cutting should be 3 or 4 inches long. So nothing longer than that really. This one's a little bit longer saying that, but this one will be alright. So your bottom leaves off like so. Just below a leaf node, straight across, nice and flat. Yeah, I'm using a peat-based compost. You can put some vermiculite or perlite in it just to help with the rooting. Then pull them off like so, and that's also ready to go in. Some people, yeah, dip these in hormone rooting powder. Some people swear by it, some people think it's fine just the way they are. So yeah, I've got the, like I said, this is a peat-based compost. It has got a little bit of feed in, which is not perfect, but it should be alright. So yeah, get your dibber, which is my hand like so, in like so, like that. Give it a good tap down. That's one done. Here's another one. Just hold there like so. Give it a little tap. Some people press down around it like I do, some people don't. I like them to be nice and secure, me, when they're in there. And that's that one done. These now want to be put somewhere nice and warm and light. I used to put them on some heat mats, so 18-20 degrees. You also want to give them a really good water, and you want to get a water sprayer and spray them 2 or 3 times a day just to stop them from drying out, because they lose a lot of moisture through the leaves through evaporation. So, and while they're developing roots, they struggle to self-regulate the temperature. So yeah, that's them nicely watered like so. All done with these now is, if you can see, I'll show you. These will go over here. This is where I keep the tubers as well. There's a nice heat mat under there. You see with the wire there, and it's got a thermostat which controls it. And all I shall do is come in the morning, give them a mist with some water, dinner time mist, evening mist, and that just helps them retain the moisture while they're trying to root. Put that one there. Put that one there like that. So yeah, so that's basically it. So yeah, how to take dahlia cuttings. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Bye. Beautiful sunny day here in my little cottage garden. As you can see, finished cutting the hedge. I bought some petrol hedge trimmers, and they're doing a really good job. Look at that beautiful sky. Wow. Foxglove is doing really well. But back to what I'm here to make a video about. These little beauties. These are Cafe au lait dahlia cuttings. I put them outside a couple of weeks ago, and as you can see, slugs and snails, puppy dogtails, had a beano. But we're just going to empty them and see if there's any roots at the bottom. Hopefully there will be. Fingers crossed. Let's have a look at this one first, shall we? Get that there so I'm not wasting the compost. Well, hey, that looks good to me. Beautiful root system. Yeah, really nice. So what I'll do with that is just pop it back in here first for a second. I've already got some compost made up. This is a peat based compost. I'm looking to go peat free, so if anybody's using any decent peat free compost at the moment, if it's a decent price, please message me and I will get back to you. I really appreciate it. In like so, you want to plant it at the same level it was in the 9cm pot. I could plant these straight into the garden, but I want to give them a really good feed and get them really bulked up first. Yeah, that's one done. Let's just have a quick look at the other two, shall we? Right, use my head this time. Plant these up first. Hope everybody's enjoying themselves. It's been really nice this last week or so here in the UK. Here in South Yorkshire, it's been really nice. 20, 28 degrees some days. But yeah, these have rooted really well. I've not really treated them very well. They've dried out a few times. But hopefully, even though the leaves have been massacred, there we go, some nice roots there. Get that down there like so. I will feed these twice a week now. Probably Miracle Grow and a mixture of Tomorite, which is a really good plant food. Just the last one there. Just get this one done. Yeah, what I'll do with these as well, I will probably take cuttings from the cuttings. Right, well, that one is not as good as the others, but it still has some root formation and it has some new shoots coming, so hopefully, a bit of green flight there. Hopefully it will bounce back once I get it out of the way of the slugs and snails. So yeah, once that's done like so, I'm going to tidy yourself up. Then one side, and then all I do is give them a really good water. A really good soak until it's running out the bottom. This gets rid of any air bubbles. And what I'll do with these, I'll keep making sure they don't dry out. As soon as I'll feed them today later on. As soon as I start feeding them, these will shoot up. Now we've got a root system to go. Yeah, if you've got any questions on how to take cuttings, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Bye.